I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Infiniti G37 battery. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves to shield yourself from potential battery acid. You will need a few basic tools, including a 10mm wrench, a 13mm wrench, and a wire brush for cleaning terminals. Make sure your car is completely off and the parking brake is set. The battery is usually located under the hood, on the passenger side. Now let's disconnect the old battery safely. First, locate the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable and ensure it cannot accidentally touch the battery terminal again. Next, move to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable, and disconnect it in the same manner. Finally, unbolt the battery hold-down clamp, typically with a 13mm wrench, to release the battery. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Be mindful that car batteries are quite heavy, so lift with care. Once the old battery is out, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with your wire brush to ensure good contact. Now, carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated correctly. Reinstall the battery hold-down clamp, tightening it firmly with your 13mm wrench to secure the battery in place. For the final steps, we will connect the new battery. Always connect the positive cable first, securing it tightly with your 10mm wrench. Then, attach the negative cable to its terminal, ensuring it is also very snug. To help prevent future corrosion, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion spray or grease to both terminals. Finally, start your Infiniti G37 to confirm everything is working correctly. You may need to reset your radio presets or power windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.